Hi guys, thank you for being here. Welcome back. I appreciate you. So remember the other day when I did the pasta with the brown butter and the Mizithra cheese? So good, by the way. I served it alongside with some chicken marsala. Today I'm going to show you how I did that. So let's get going. But before we do, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you made anything, or just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. Okay? All right, here we go. Okay, so before we cook up this chicken, we're going to do a little breading on it, and the flour is just going to help the sauce kind of thicken up and come together. I mean, it's not like a thick sauce, but you want it a little bit thicker, so this is going to help that. So we're going to take half a cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're just going to mix this up, and then I'm just cooking up 2 chicken breasts, so this should be enough for that. So if you want to make more chicken breasts, maybe double the recipe, or maybe you don't have to. You're just literally dredging it, and then we're going to put it in the pan. Okay, so I just have a couple tablespoons of oil in here, and we've dredged our chicken, so I'm just going to fry that up and cook these, and then we'll set them aside and use the same pan to make the sauce. All right, we set the chicken aside. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to take about 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. And I just did baby fellas. Oh, yummy. We're going to saute those up for a couple minutes, then we're going to add the garlic. Okay, so I just added about 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'm sauteing it with the mushrooms for about a minute or so, and I added just a pinch of salt and pepper. So now we're going to add a 1.25 cups or a 1.5 cups, about a 1.25 cups of chicken stock, and then we're doing 3/4 cup of Marsala wine, Marsala cooking wine. I just picked up from Holland House. All right, so we're going to cook this down until it cooks down a bit. So probably for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll add the heavy cream and the chicken, and then it's ready to plate. All right, you guys, and we've cooked this down a little bit. You just want to kind of cook the Marsala wine down a bit. So now we're just going to add in 3/4 cup of half and half. And you can use heavy cream if you want it thicker, but I don't really want my Marsala sauce thick, so I'm doing half and half. And then we're going to add in our chicken. Let me just put that right in, and just cook this for a few minutes again, and then they'll be ready. All right, let's cook it a little bit so it thickens up a little bit more, just to come together, and then we can plate it. Okay, you guys, so at this point, oh, it's so good. I just let it simmer until the pasta that I'm gonna eat it with is done. So that's what you can do, is just kind of let it simmer and continue to just soak up all this goodness. And at this time, you can also taste it and see if you want to add any more salt and pepper. And I just did another little pinch, and it's perfect. So I'll plate it up for you here in just a second. All right, you guys, so there it is. chicken marsala. So I'm going to have this with some pasta, and you guys probably already know that because if you've watched the video, I'm going to have it with the spaghetti with the brown butter and Zithra cheese. Anyway, you guys try it. Let me know. It's so good. So good. See you next time. Bye.